all dear listeners, you must have read Constitution. And you must be aware of three principal parts of Constitution: Preamble, Fundamental Rights, and DPSP. And I hope all of you know that Preamble talks of the goal of Constitution. DPSP shows the path, how will we reach to that goal? And Fundamental Rights put the limitation on the path. Now in this context, it's very important to know that what is the interrelation between these three parts. As far as interrelation between the three parts are concerned, I told you that Preamble is goal, DPSP shows the path on which the succeeding government will walk within the limitation of fundamental right to achieve the goal. But then the further question arises, what will be relationship between fundamental rights and DPSP? And this question acquires immense importance because there have been efforts to enforce DPSP, but these efforts have been nullified by the Supreme Court itself on this basis that they contradict somehow fundamental rights. Now, if this is so, it is a question to be thought over. That why these two parts are in Constitution which contradict each other. Can it be so? Is it a plausible, acceptable explanation? I hope no. It cannot be believed that these two parts are contradictory to each other. And this is how Supreme Court realized after 7, 8, 9 years of its verdict in Champakam that they have not done justice to the relationship of these two parts. And now they have taken a different turn. And finally, these two extreme views, in one which is said that fundamental rights will prevail, in another where it is said that DPSP will prevail, these two extreme views have been harmonized, synthesized. And finally the Supreme Court said, no, it cannot be so. So they adopted an integrative approach where they started integrating the two parts, Article 21 being the biggest beneficiary of this. And they finally propounded that these two parts are not contradictory, rather they are supplementary and complementary to each other. Rather they are supplementary and complementary. Not only this, the Supreme Court finally said in Minerva Mill that they are like two wheels of the Constitution on which the entire chariot of Constitution runs. And if one wheel is made smaller and another bigger, it cannot move properly. And so they finally concluded that there is a kind of supplementary and complementary relation. They support each other, they complement each other. And this is a very interesting journey, by the way. This is what is brief. But if you want to know better, if you want to know it in better manner, you please watch my video on this relationship between fundamental right and DPSP. I hope you will understand how Supreme Court finally concluded about this assimilative approach and integrative strategy. Thank you very much.